guys, I'm Anita from Global Baby. I am at home today with my new lovely baby, Sunny. He is a week old today and he is just gorgeous, aren't you? So lovely. Yeah. So after the girls posted the video the other day of me demonstrating how to use the Oohbubs Wrap with a doll, it was quite early in my pregnancy that we recorded that one with a doll. Some people messaged and asked if they could see it with a real life baby, so lucky I've got one right here. So I will show you and kind of talk you through how I would wrap a baby. I'm just going to try and put him in his cot. So this is the Oohbubs Wrap. It comes in its own little bag, so you can keep it in your nappy bag or in the bottom of the pram. I say don't leave home without it. Totally handy, really good from newborn to about 6 months or so. Yeah, is what it say. It comes with the instructions in here as well. Easy to follow, but even easier to watch the video, so I'll show you now. Okay, so it's available in 3 colours at the moment. We might add some more, but so I've got the grey one. What you want to do is find the label that's in the middle, and then you're going to put the label kind of in, what do you call that, your sternum? Is that what it's called? So the middle, you know, the middle of your chest, above your boobs. So we'll put that in, and we call that the belt. So this kind of part going across, we'll call that the belt. So then I'm going to take it across the back and over my shoulder, and just kind of making sure that I don't twist it as I do that. So that's it there. And it's a good idea if you're starting to wrap. You can do this at home in front of the mirror and just kind of get the hang of it a few times until you know, go out. And if you're really new to wrapping as well, one thing that I recommend is to do the wrapping this bit at home, and you know, say you're going somewhere, put the baby in the car seat, go where you're going, and then get them out, and then you can just put them into the wrap. So kind of wear the wrap without a baby in it while you're in the car. So I've didn't talk you through that bit, sorry. So I pulled it over my shoulders, crossed it over at the back, pulled it over my shoulders, and then I've crossed it at the front as well. So let's take a look at that. So there, it's crossed over there and there, and then I'm just going to pull that around my back, and you can tie it there if that's what's comfortable for you, or you can bring it around to the front and tie it, and you just need to tie a double knot. Okay, so now I've got my wrap, and the tightness, they say tight like a t-shirt, but I kind of say tight like a sports bra because I don't really wear my t-shirts that tight. But yeah, it needs to be firm to hold the baby, especially when the baby's like a newborn like Sunny is, because when he goes in there, he's not going to fill it out so much. With a 6-month-old, you could probably just, you know, you can do it quite loosely because a 6-month-old's quite big. Okay, so you're going to pull the wrap down. So now we've got our crossed over bits, and I'm going to start with the cross that's closest to my body. So start here, and so pull the other side, and we're going to start here, yeah, with the one that's closest to your body. So come here, Sunny. Hello. Hello. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Okay. So I'm going to put him in this leg first, just one leg, and then we're going to make a little seat for him out of this cross by pulling it across to his knee and then across to his other knee, right? So that's made a little seat, and I'm checking that he's even, so that kind of his knees are coming out at the same level and his feet are at the same level. And then I'll do the other side. And remember, always just keep one hand on the baby. Sounds obvious, but... And then I'm doing the same thing on that side. So pulling it across from knee to make a seat. And then pull that one up onto your shoulder. So you've got a nice and smooth for him. No kind of big ridges or creases under his bottom. Yeah. And, gosh, so cute. And nice and smooth across your shoulders as well. I mean, you can pull it up or down, whatever's comfy for you. And then I'm going to pull the belt back out, so I have that under his feet and under his legs. And now I'm going to pull that up, and you kind of want that Oohbubs logo to be in the centre front again. So that's how you know that you've kind of kept the whole thing even. And just then I was just straightening it up and making it comfy around the top. So that's it. Then for a baby this, so what I'll be checking now is that he's kind of straight. His spine is kind of running straight down my spine or my middle, not kind of crooked to the side or anything. We're checking that his feet are at the same level and his knees are at the same level. He's got a nice seat going on there. We call that the M position. Looks like an M here. So his seat, he's not like dangling his feet down. You've got nice and smooth across your shoulders. And then for a baby this age, because his head's still really floppy, I mean, you could just walk and keep one hand on his head, or you could kind of pull it across like that and tuck him in on one side. And then you're making sure that baby's got space for breathing, you know, not squashed right against you. So that's why I kind of like it on the side a little bit. And yeah, those are my pointers. So when you're learning, do it at home in front of the mirror a few times. When you're going out, especially at the start, you can put it on at home, put the baby in the car seat and then drive to where you're going, and then pop the baby straight in. Can look in the reflection of your car window. That's a kind of a good tip to kind of make sure that everything's even and looking good when you're out. And also, or just a shop window if you're parked up outside a shop. And yeah, I think those are my tips. So that is the Oohbubs Baby Wrap, and I hope you found that helpful. Oh my gosh, you got your hands. And they love it. They just love being close to you, feeling like your heartbeat, feeling your nice and warm. Oh, that's what I was going to say. So right now it's February, it's really hot. Sometimes they say one less layer for you and one less layer for baby if you're baby wearing, because you will, you know, you take each other's heat. So just kind of be mindful of that, of what you're both wearing before you get dressed. Before you wrap it up, I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, thanks guys, bye. Say bye. Bye. Those are some nice hands. Yeah.